Hey everyone. So yesterday my mother-in-law died and she had dementia, and I thought I would take a moment to talk about it and pay tribute and talk about dementia. We realized something was off about 6 years ago, but when you're of a certain age as well, it's quite normal for there to be cognitive decline. Dementia is a cruel, cruel disease that robs somebody. It's 1,000 deaths because you're constantly losing them. But everybody's dementia is different. The one thing I will say is that the dementia we saw on telly that's portrayed in films, and it was nothing like we saw. It really wasn't. And we were never prepared for what we were going to face. You may recognize her because I did a video with her on YouTube. And also there were lots of people who could see what I was doing in the video other than the makeup, because I was speaking to her, but in part I was asking about her past, because at that moment in time, she had incredible memory recall of her past, but the present just was so fleeting. She couldn't remember any of it. So I was eking out more and more details about her past and her life. And it was a wonderful life that she had. The other point of this video is that I want to pay tribute to my partner, who never once complained about anything. And there was a lot to do. We had a lot to deal with, and our life wasn't made easy at all. I cannot tell you the amount of times we've been to the hospital, the hip breaks, multiple falls, multiple accidents, her overdosing on medication and having to take her in, doctor's visits, memory clinics. All we did was run around, and we saw her every single day without fail. I would go to her home when she was still there, pick her up, bring her back to our house. She would spend the entire evening. We would feed her here, and then we would take her home very late at night. She would get home, go up to her bedroom, lock herself in her room, because she wasn't happy unless her door was locked. Then we would go outside and we'd wave from the window. We did that for years until we couldn't anymore. She fell and broke a hip and just couldn't return home. And we moved her to a care home that was 2 minutes from our house. And from the minute she walked in that care home until we couldn't, we would go there every day, take her out of the care home, get her in the car, bring her back here, feed her, and have her here until 9 at night. Then we would take her back home. And we did that until we couldn't, until she was no longer able to. And my partner never once complained. He went above and beyond what anyone I've ever seen do. And I am beyond proud of how he acted in all of this. There aren't many people that behave that way. She has a lovely son and wife who live in Australia. And during the last few months, oh God, they're so kind. During the last few months of her life, they flew back from Australia 3 times to make sure she was all right and just spend time with her. She was a very good person, a very, very good person. And she is incredibly missed. And I said once that I wouldn't be sorry when I didn't have to see this nursing home again, because it's so depressing, those kind of nursing homes where dementia is the prevalent illness there. And now I would give anything to go back there and spend another day. She is missed very much, and they say that grief is the price you pay for love. And she was incredibly loved by all of us. And her loss is a big, big loss to me and my family. And anybody out there who is going through dementia, we understand everything that is happening to you. And it is a hard, hard journey. And we wish you nothing but happiness and wellness. And you are doing the best you can do, because it is a very hard journey. And thank you for your time. And this is my brief tribute to V, who was a truly truly beautiful human being. Bye-bye. And now you have to grace the world with your presence. Look straight into the camera.
Right.
Wink. Smile. There you go. You're all done. That's beautiful.
Okay.
You look absolutely glamorous.
Do I?
You look ridiculously glamorous. Now you're going to sit down and have some food and watch a film.
Can't think of anything better.
Exactly.
What would I do without you?
You manage.
I don't think so.
Believe we forgot your bloody earrings.
They look all right.
They look absolutely fabulous.
Good. And they go well with this, don't
Yeah,
they?
I mean, otherwise, people would have been like, where's the jewellery?
Did you?
Exactly. Wouldn't have been you, would it, without the jewellery?
No.
Right, darling, you know the drill. Little look in the camera, a little wink, and a smile. There you go.
All done.
They've seen this once. We're going to keep this bit in so they know exactly what you like. Where's my earrings? Where's my earrings?